Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. Today we have got a beautiful Lexus. It's a 2021 Lexus LC500. As you can see, the casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. I was looking for this one and I can't wait to open and look at it. So let's do it. So here's the LC out of its box. And first of all, I would like to say Matchbox did a great job by doing this car in this paint, because I've seen a lot of LCs, not a lot, a few of LCs in real life, and most of them were this color and they look really good. So let's start from the front. Up front you've got nice details. You've got the detailed headlamp, you've got the boomerang LED DRLs, you've got the big Lexus grill and Lexus badge, and the chrome on the outside too. So good details up front. So you can see it has got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, and obviously it's a convertible. So you've got like the roof, top roof, and it's a two-door. It's a really nice looking car. Wheels, I think they look alright on this one. I think I've seen them with chrome wheels, if I'm not wrong. They look good, they don't look bad here. Interior, again, it's done in beige, and I think the actual car also gets beige kind of leather, beige or brown, so not far away from that, but no major details obviously. It's a good looking car though. I like the way Matchbox has done the paint and everything on this one. On the driver's side you can also see the fuel filter cap is here. And let's move to the back. Again, nice details here. You can see you've got detailed tail lamp, you got the Lexus badge, you also got the Lexus written, sorry, LC500 written below Lexus. So again, good detail here. Also you can see it has got the quad exhaust at the back. Again, nice details, always appreciated. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical as the driver side, apart from the fuel filler cap. So you can see how that curves up here. It's a nice design element. Even the hood has the slight bulge which makes it look nice. If you look closely, you can see there's two cut lines. So one is for the roof, which can come up, obviously not on this casting but on the actual car. And if you look from here, you can see the rear view mirror inside. So you get good details, I would say, nice details. Also you can see how they've done everything in beige or cream, and the pedals are done in black, so it kind of looks good. Yeah, I think it's one of the nicest casting that came out this year from Matchbox. I'm still waiting for a few of them. I've seen pictures but haven't seen them on packs yet, but this one obviously a good casting and will look really good in my collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.